About us. Our solid reputation for quality has stood the test of time. At Design Group MD, our slogan is, "If you can dream it, we can build it." For the past 25 years, we have surpassed the expectations of healthcare providers by designing premier medical offices in the Washington, D.C. area. As a commercial general contractor, we provide complete turnkey solutions, from conceptual design to a complete build. That includes design, space planning, office layout, construction services, and architectural millworks for your cabinetry. We analyze, evaluate, and develop solutions for every element of your project, no matter how great or how small. Our work is as individualized as you and your practice, from ancestral tradition to contemporary style. At the end of the day, we're committed to translating your vision into an office you can be proud of, now and for years to come.
Expect the extraordinary. Complete turnkey healthcare design and healthcare architecture solutions. It all starts with a vision to maximize productivity and increase patient satisfaction and volume through an elegantly designed, functionally efficient medical, dental, or professional office design solution. At Design Group MD, we specialize in turning visions into detail-oriented realities. For over a quarter of a century, we've focused on sophisticated design and full construction of premier healthcare offices throughout the Washington metro area. Our one-stop, full line of services is comparable to the largest design groups in the industry, yet delivered with a personal touch by highly experienced people who take the time to care. From a distinctive and meticulously designed front reception desk to carefully crafted architectural millwork cabinetry, from a customized office renovation to an energy-efficient create-from-scratch new space, you can count on us every step of the way for flexible, innovative, cost-efficient solutions that fit your practice's style. Some call it visionary. We call it business as usual.
Our process. An easy and pleasurable process by design. What is it like working with Design Group MD? As one of our clients attests, working with the crew of the Design Group MD was a pleasure. Their team integrated my design concerns and allowed me complete access and input through the entire construction process of my new office. Here's what will happen. You will meet with your personal Design Group MD manager for a full comprehensive consultation. We will interview both you and your staff to determine the best course to follow to efficiently design and construct your new or renovated office. We will obtain extensive measurements, supply shop drawings and blueprints, and submit all-inclusive proposals for your assessment. During each step of the process, we take note of your request, review designs, evaluate alternatives, and choose materials with your precise requirements in mind. You can be assured that the workmanship that goes into your dream office showcases our principles of excellence, and more importantly, your own.
Our services. Anyone can give you blueprints. We give you something extra, a strong comfort factor. We know that healthcare architecture, engineering, and design is really an investment in your practice. And for that, you need more than just computer-aided drawings. You need a powerful comfort factor, steeped in over 2 decades of solid experience. Our team of seasoned industry veterans and young cutting-edge professionals meet with you, truly listen to your practice goals, and then work hard to maximize your return on investment, keeping in mind the latest design regulations, healthcare delivery trends, and practice-specific needs. It all begins with solid communication, which underpins everything we do. A sampling of the services that Design Group MD offers. General contracting. We specialize in all phases of building and remodeling, with options that work best for each specific practice. Building design and space planning. Changes in design can enormously improve efficiency. Our building design and space planning service can help you grow your patient base through productive use of space. Site evaluation and analysis. More than other professionals, medical people are constantly on the move, shepherding patients, ferrying lab samples, locating instruments. Before we begin, we gain a thorough understanding of how your space is being used, and then suggest ways to make it more efficient as well as distinctive. Architectural millwork. We take enormous pride in uniting form and function in wonderful, unexpected ways to combine great looks with outstanding practicality, including stock molding, custom wood paneling, and radius molding. Cabinetry and caseworks. Our cabinetry offers a triumph of style, selection, and options. With premium solid hardwoods, natural grain patterns and tones, and meticulous craftsmanship, each cabinet is constructed to age beautifully over time. Tenant build to suit. We're here to help when a new tenant moves in and requires remodeling, or after a new construction is completed and the owner wishes to customize the interior based on specific requirements. For property managers, it's a reliable way to generate consistent cash flow from reliable tenants.
Why should I trust my medical or dental office to Design Group MD?
Since we opened our doors in 1981, we've consistently striven to do more for our clients through visionary innovation, premier design and construction, and an old-fashioned roll-up-your-sleeves-and-get-it-done attitude. We invite you to browse this site and take a look at some of the office designs we've created right in the Washington, D.C. metro area. We believe our work speaks for itself.
How are you different from other design groups?
We're more than a contractor. We're a valued partner. We carefully analyze every aspect of your project and let you know if there are any obstacles that need to be addressed before we begin. We are a one-stop shop that offers solutions on everything from building to interior design, so that you can create an office you're proud of.
Do you have your own team or do you subcontract?
We have our own dedicated team who works with us exclusively. Our team consists of seasoned professionals who have worked seamlessly together on hundreds of construction projects in the medical sector. As a result, they react quickly and know just what to do in any possible situation. If there is a compelling need to bring in subcontractors, we do so under our direct supervision. There is no need for you to deal with any third party. We provide you with a complete, turnkey solution.
Can I count on you to understand the latest practice-specific needs and healthcare delivery trends?
Of course, our name says it all. Design Group MD. Unlike many general contractors and design groups, we're specialists. We've worked with medical and dental practices throughout the Washington, D.C. metro area. As a result, we understand what it takes to provide spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also multifunctional.
The last thing I want is for my practice to be disturbed by dust and noise. How do you ensure fewer interruptions?
We've developed a methodology to get you from start to finish in the shortest time possible, while recognizing there are no shortcuts to quality. We are willing to work off-peak hours and to do everything in our power to keep your practice running smoothly while we're on premises.
Will a manager be at our site full-time until the project is completed?
Absolutely. A supervisor will be at your job site throughout the scheduled work. In addition, you can call our dedicated customer number day or night to contact us in case any issue or question arises.
What if I have a question or need an adjustment during the process?
Right from the start, you will be working with your own manager, who may be called at any time if you have a question or are seeking to change project parameters.
Do you offer reports of progress and financial updates?
Consistent communication is one of the cornerstones of our company. We provide you with a complete detailed work schedule in advance, as well as updates with any changes or revisions. And we also schedule regular meetings with updated reports to keep you in the loop on work progress and budget concerns.
What do you do to maintain costs?
We carefully review the design to identify all important elements and evaluate alternative options. In addition, we maintain a strong sense of checks and balances that provide an early warning to project issues. We track project information, including change orders, material and labor costs, invoices, and more. And if there's a way to improve the project with minimum time and cost impact, we let you know right away. You can count on our integrity every step of the way.
What if I'm displeased? Do you offer quality assurances?
We're fortunate that the vast majority of our clients are thrilled with the work we provide. Our goal is nothing less than 100% client satisfaction. So if you are dissatisfied with our design or layout, we will do our best to implement changes that will meet with your full approval.
Are you regulated and licensed?
We fully comply with all state and federal regulations and are up to date on all license requirements. We also carry solid liability insurance for any project exceeding the minimum requirements.
Let's get to the bottom line. How much will all this cost?
That depends, of course, on the scope of your project. We do our very best to work with you and your budget parameters, and we'll present you with a range of customized options. Remember that designing and constructing a medical office is ultimately an investment in your practice. We work to maximize your return on that investment through improved productivity and greater staff and patient satisfaction.